Alright, so a bunch of peaches are ripe on the top of the tree here. Those peaches, I'm going to drop it on the ground. The peacocks can eat it and the chickens can eat it. There's a lot of them, so I'll let them eat. Rest we will use it. You see all the peaches, nice and ripe. So let's try to drop it. Let's try to drop it. I'm gonna just shake the branch. Let's see. Whoa! There's a lot of them just dropped. A lot of them just dropped. Look at that. Look at this. Let me try to take a bite. Oh, so good. So juicy. People who are wondering I'm not washing it and eating right off the tree is because we don't use any pesticide. Everything is organic. When you don't use pesticide, the only downside is that quite a few of them will be eaten by fruit flies and other little critters. So you only get some of them for you. Rest it goes to the creatures of the nature. Since we have a lot of peacocks and birds, I use the ones that are eaten by the bugs or half eaten by the bugs, like fruit flies, to the peacocks and chickens, and they love it. I don't need that many, so first I eat. The kids also love it. It's so good. Hey kitty, you want some? See if you like it. See? Told you. Look at that. There's the seed. Bah, bah, bah. The birds are back behind the house, but they'll come and eat it. They'll come and eat it later. You see? Hey, kitty cat. Hey, little kitty. These are good ones. Really good. Oh, I'm going to shake some more and see if it falls. Whoa. Yep. A lot of them are ripe. Ooh-wee. A lot of peaches here. A lot of peaches. Hey kitty, what's going? You alright? Meow. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. 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 Alright, that should be good enough for us. Rest peacocks and chickens can eat it, and other birds, they can eat it. What a nice day, beautiful day.